Brittany with WTI, and it's good to have something nearby that you can snuggle with.
So snuggle up with this BOURINA dark cyan throw blanket. Cyan is definitely the color that I have going on in our living room, and it looks so good on our couch. It's so convenient to have it on our couch to just pull off if you feel a little chilly, to put it on your legs, over your arms, to just snuggle up to it. It is not overly thick or big, so it's perfect to just easily fold up and to put it back on my couch when I'm not using it. It just helps pull all the colors that we have in our living room together. I love how soft the fabric is, and again that it's not too thick, because sometimes you get cold but you don't want to get overheated. So I like how the knit material is going to help keep you warm but still be breathable to maintain a balanced temperature. So it is really the perfect blanket companion for our couch.
And that's my point of view.